Hi everyone, this is Krishnara Maths IIT faculty. Last class we discussed equal functions and algebraic functions of polynomial functions. In this polynomial functions, types of polynomial functions. That means here monomial function, next one linear function, next identity function, next constant function, next square function, next cubical function. Square function means here parabolic functions and cubical functions, and even power function, odd power function. Next real value function, real variable function, real valued function and its properties. Once again we have to recall the real variable, real valued and real functions, and we will do some problems. See here, real value. See here, f and g are two functions. F and g are two functions, and here a, first one is a is subset of R is called real variable function. Real variable function. That means here domain. A means it's a domain is subset of R. Next second one is here B is subset of R is real valued function. Here B means here codomain is subset of R. Next one is real function. Real function means A is subset of R and B is subset of R. Then R is real function. F and G are two functions. If R is a real valued function means here domain is subset of R, and R is real value function means then B means here codomain is subset of R. Next one is real function means both domain and codomain is subset of this function. Now we have to discuss its properties. See here. Real valued function, real valued function properties. See here, let f and g are two functions of its domain A and B. A and B, okay, respectively. A and B respectively, and A with respect A intersection B with respect A intersection B, and A intersection B is not equal to 5. A intersection B is not equal to 5. Now here sum of f plus g or difference of two functions is equal to f of x plus or minus g of x for all x belongs to R. Second one, f of f into g of x is equal to f of x into g of x. Here A intersection B under A intersection B, x belongs to A intersection B. Here common you can take here. Next the third one also, here f by g, quotient of x is equal to f of x by g of x. Here x belongs to A intersection B. Now fourth one, here some constant into f of x is equal to constant to f of x, where k belongs to R. Next fifth one is here k of x means next one f double dash of x is equal to f of x whole power n, where n is greater than 0. Next sixth one, here modulus of f of x is equal to modulus of f of x is equal to modulus of f of x where x belongs to a. These are our properties. Once again we have to recall, and now we will do some problems. Okay, this is the first problem on real valued functions. See here, let f is mapping from set of order pairs 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -1, -3 be a functions from z to z defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b for some integers a, b, then order pair a, b is equal to, here 4 options as given. Now f of x is equal to one function ax plus b as given. Here you can take one, f of 1 you can write here, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1. Now here x instead of this 1 you have to substitute here, f of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b is equal to 1. Now a plus b is equal to 1. Now you can take here 2 or 0 you can take it very easy, f of 0 is equal to -1. Here f of 0 is equal to a into 0 plus -1. Sorry, this is b is equal to -1. Now a into 0, 0, b is equal to -1. This b is equal to -1, substitute here, then a -1 is equal to 1, then a is equal to 2. Therefore a comma b is equal to 2 comma -1. 2 comma -1. Note down. Okay, next second problem. If e to the power of f of x is equal to 10 plus x by 10 minus x and x is belongs to -10 and 10 and f of x is equal to k into f of 200x by 100 plus x square, then find the value of k. Here 4 options are given. Now see here, e to the power of f of x is equal to 10 plus x by 10 minus x as given. Now we have to apply either side log. Log you can apply means here f of x is equal to log of 10 plus x by 10 minus x. Now this is log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Then f of x is equal to log of 10 plus x by x minus log of 10 minus x. Now here x instead of you can take here f of 200x by 100x 100 plus x square you have to substitute here. Now f of 200x by 100 plus x square, this value you have to find here. Now here where it is x you have to substitute here x instead of this value. Now log of 10 plus 200x by 100 plus x square minus log of 10 minus 200x by 100 plus x square. Now simplify this one. Now you can multiply here log of 10 into 100 1000, 10 into x square 10x square plus 200 x whole by 100 plus x square minus here also same log of 100 into 10,000 plus 10x square minus 200 by 100 plus x square. Now this is log a minus log b. Again you can write log a by b. Now see here this is log, here 10 you can take common or 10 you can take common, 10 common means or otherwise this is right as 10 common means x square plus 10 into 20x plus 100 whole by 100 plus x square. Now this is right as log a by log b. Log b means here you can take here 10 common here also, here x square minus 20 this is 200x 20x plus 100 whole by 100 plus x square. This is denominator cancel, this 10 also cancel. Now you can write here log, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, log 10x plus 10 whole square by x minus 10 whole square. log x, or 10 plus x you can write here. Here 10 plus x, here 10 minus x, here whole square means you can write anyway, no problem. Now here log 10 plus x by 10 minus x whole square you can write. Now this is 2 times of log 10 plus x by 10 minus x. Now see here, this log 10 plus x by 10 minus x is equal to what? E to the power of f of x, not e to the power of f of x. Then here this is 2 times f of x. Now this is also 2 times f of x. Now you can substitute here. F of x is equal to k into this f of 200x by 100 plus x square value is equal to, this is 2 times f of x, 2 times f of x. Here f of x cancel, k is equal to 1 by 2, this 2 going this side means 1 by 2, k is equal to 0.5. Now which value? Here, first option, note down. Next problem, third one. F is mapping from R to R is defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x. Then f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x is equal to. Given 4 options, you have to check which one. Now, already f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x as given. Now you can find individual or common, same. Here f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x. Now here x instead of, you can substitute here 3x. Here 2 into 3x plus mod 3x. Again this one minus x we can substitute here. Here 2 into minus x plus modulus of minus x minus 4x. Okay, now see here. Now 2 into 3 is 6x. Here modulus of 3x is equal to 3x. And minus into minus plus 2x. Next one is, here modulus of plus x is equal to minus x is equal to plus x minus 4x. Now 9, 10, 12, 12 minus 4, 8x. Just a minute. F of minus x, here f of minus x 2 into 2, here 9x, 11x. 1 minute. Okay, now here we have to put the bracket. Why? Because this minus is common for these two. That's why 1 minute. Here 3x. Now this is minus of minus 2x plus x minus 4x. Now this is 9x minus this is 4x. Minus 2x plus x is equal to minus x minus into minus plus x. Now this is 10x minus 4x is equal to 6x. Now check the option. F of x is equal to, f of x means here this is f of x is equal to 2x plus x is equal to 3x, but here 6x. Here how many times? Here 2 into 3x, then 2 times f of x. This is fourth option, note down. Okay, next fourth one, let f of 1 is equal to 1, n is greater than or equal to 1, implies f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 times f of n plus 1. Then find f of n value. Here 4 options are given. Now f of 1 value is equal to 1, and here n is greater than or equal to 1, no negative numbers. Then f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 times f of n plus 1. Now you can take here n is equal to 1, then f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to here 2 times f of 1 plus 1. Here n is equal to 1 means where it is n as given, you have to substitute 1. Now we know that f of 1 is equal to how much? 1. Then 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, now n is equal to 2 you can take here. F of 2 plus 1 is equal to f of 3 is equal to 2 into f of 2 plus 1. Here 2 times f of 2 we know that f of 2 value 3 plus 1. Here 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7. Now see here this one is right as 2 square minus 1. Here 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube 8 minus 1 7. 2 square 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. Now here f of n is right as here 1. This is f of 2 means here 2 square minus 1. F of 3 means here 3 square minus 1. Then f of n means here 2 power n minus 1. Here 2 means 2 square minus 1. Here 3 means 3 square minus 1. Here n means 2 for n square minus 1. This is third option. Note down. Okay, next problem, fifth one. If f of x is equal to 7 power 1 plus log x by x to the power of log 7, then f of 2015 value is equal to. See here, f of x is equal to 7 power 1 plus log x by x to the power of log 7. Now this is right as 7 into 7 power log x. Bases equal, powers we can add. Powers and exponents. Here x to the power of log 7. We know that one log properties. Here a to the power of log b is equal to b to the power of log a. Use this property, logarithm property, then you can solve this one. 7 into this is a power b, a power log b, here b power log a. Then you can write here 7 power log n, log 7 power log x by this one also you can write here 7 power log x. This both are cancelled. This is 7. That means here f of x is equal to 7. One constant came. Then you can give here x here. Instead of any number also it is equal to 7. That's why here f of 2015 its value is equal to 7. This is second option. Note down. Okay, next sixth problem. If f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x upon sin square x plus cos power 4x for x belongs to R, then find the value of f of 2016. Here 4 options as given. Now see here, f of x is equal to cos square x plus here sin power 4x. I will write sin square x into sin square x upon sin square x plus here cos power 4x is right as cos square x into cos square x. Now this is rewrite as cos square x plus here use identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, then sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square x into sin square x upon sin square x plus here cos square instead of you can write 1 minus sin square x into cos square x. Now you can multiply and write it here cos square x, here sin square x into 1 plus sin square x minus cos square into sin square x into cos square x upon here sin square x plus here cos square into 1 cos square x minus sin square x into cos square x. Now see here, both numerator and denominator both terms are equal. This is cancelled, it is equal to 1. Now this is equal to f of x is equal to 1. Now you can find the 2016 also, its value is equal to 1. Now which value? This is first option is correct. Note down. Next problem, seventh one. If f is equal to set of order pair minus 2, 4, 0, 6, 2, 8. And g is equal to set of order pair minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 2, 5. Then 2f upon 3c plus 3c upon 2f of 0. Here you can take in a domain one element, that is also 0. Now this is, we know that the properties real variable functions f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Now see here 2 of f of 0 by 3g of 0 plus 3g of 0 by 2 f of 0. Now see here, this is very easy. 2 into f of 0, here f of 0 its codomain, its value is equal to 6. Okay, now your 3 into g of 0 value is equal to 3, then 3 plus 3 into g of 0 already 3 and 2 into f of 0 is here 6. Now you can simplify this one. 2 6 are 12, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 3 9, 2 6 are 12. Now see here 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 3s are 3 4s are, then 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 Take LCM here, 12, 4 4 are 16, 3 3 are 9 is equal to 25 by 12. Its answer 25 by 12. Second option. Note down. Okay, next problem. If f of x is equal to sine log of x, then f of x y plus f of x by y minus 2 f of x cos log of x value. Okay, now see here. Here f of x is equal to sine of log x as given. First we have to find separately f of xy and f of x by y. Now x instead of, you can write here xy. Yes, sine of log xy is right as this is log ab. Log ab is equal to log a plus log b. Now you can write here sine of log x plus log y. Now this is a sine a plus b formula. Sine a plus b formula is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now see here, sine of log x sin a cos b cos of log y plus cos a cos of log x into sine of log y. Now you can take here f of x by y. F of x by y is equal to sine of log, here x instead of, you can write here x by y. Now here log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Now sine of log x minus log y. Now this is looks like sine a minus b formula. Sine a cos b, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now you can write here whole term f of xy plus f of x by y minus 2 f of x into cos of log y. Now we know that this is f of xy is equal to sine of log x into cos of log y plus cos of log x into sine of log y plus here x by y value sine of log x into cos of log y minus cos of log x into sine of log y plus minus 2 times f of x. F of x means what? Sine of log x. Sine of log x into here log y, cos of log y. Now see here sine log x cos log y. This is a sine log x. Here see here, this is also same term. This 2, 1, here 1, 2 times, this is 2 times cancel. Now this is 10, this 10 cancel, it is equal to 0. Then which one is option? This is fourth option. Note down. Now next problem, ninth one. If f of x plus y comma x minus y is equal to xy, then the arithmetic mean of f of x comma y and f of y comma x. Arithmetic mean means sum of these two terms by 2. Okay, now see here, let x plus y is equal to, you can take p, and x minus y is equal to take q. Now you can add these two. Here 2x is equal to p plus q and x is equal to p plus q by 2. This is x. Now you can find y. Then this value you have to substitute here, means y is equal to here p minus p plus q by 2. Then here 2p minus p minus q by 2 is equal to p minus q by 2. Now you can write here f of x comma x plus y comma x minus y is equal to xy. Now here x plus y means here f of p comma q is equal to x means what? X means p plus q by 2 into y means p minus q by 2. Now this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square by 4. Now this is f of p comma q. In terms of p and q means here p square minus q square. In terms of x and y means here x square minus y square by 4. In terms of y and x means here y square minus x square by 4. Now you can take the mean of f of x comma y and f of y comma x. Now you can add this 2 and by 2, x square minus y square by 4 plus y square minus x square by 4 whole by 2. Now see here, you can take here also means both are cancelled. It is 0. It is equal to 0. Third option. Note down. Okay, now see here 10th one, f is defined by f of x is equal to set of x square. Here x value is lies between 0 and 2. Here 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, and 3x means here 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 10. Then f of 2 is equal to, see here, this value you have to take here. First one f of x you can write here. F of x is equal to here x square means this is x value, x is equal to 0, 1, 2, only 3 values you have to take, and here 3x means here x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on 10 you can take here. Now you can write here f of 2. F of 2 means here in this case you can take here f of 2 means here 2 square is equal to 4. Now in this case also 2 is possible. F of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. Here 4 is not equal to 6. Both images are different, that's why it is not possible, not defined. Next problem, 11th one, if f of x is equal to set of x square plus 1, x is less than or equal to 0, 2x minus 1, here 0 is less than x is less than 5, and 4x plus 3, x is greater than or equal to 5. Now see here, this is you can take once again you can write here f of x is equal to here x square plus 1 means here x is less than or equal to 0 means x you can take here 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to so on. Next one is 2x minus 1 means here x is equal to you have to take here 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Next one is 4x plus 3, then x you have to take here 5, 6, 7 up to so on. Now you can find the values. F of minus 3 plus f of 2 plus f of 5 whole by f of 1. Now you can take here f of minus 3. Minus 3 means here this is x square plus 1. Here minus 3 square plus 1 plus f of 2 means 2 where it is here second function 2 into 2 minus 1 plus f of 5 means this is third function 4 into 5 plus 6 upon here f of 1. F of 1 means again this is second one 2 into 1 minus 1. Now we can write here 3 square 9, 9 plus 1 10. Here 2 square 4, 4 minus 1 3. And 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 6 26 upon here 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1. Now this is 26, 36, 39. 26, 29, 39. Here 3 square 9, 9 plus 1 10. Next one is here 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 3. Okay, next one is 5, 4 5s are 20, sorry this is 3, 4x plus 3. Now this is also 23. Now you can write here this is a 36. Which option? Second option. Note down. Next problem is if f is equal to set of order phase minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 2, 1 comma 1, then the range of f square minus 1 is here. First we can write here f range is equal to 3 to 1. That means 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Now we can write here f square. F square range is equal to here 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Now f square minus 1 range of f square minus 1. Here 1 square, here 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 9 minus 1 8. This is second option. Note down. Okay, next problem, 13th one. If f of x is equal to sine of pi by 3 of greatest integer function minus x square, then the value of f of root pi by 3 is, see here f of x is equal to sine of pi by 3 into step x minus x square. Okay, here greatest integer function I am also not explain. Next class I will explain. Okay, in this problem you have to listen. See here, we have to find f of under root pi by 3. Here sine of pi by 3 into step of under root over pi by 3 minus under root over pi by 3 whole square. Now see here pi value is equal to 3.14 approximately. Now here pi by 3 means here 3.14 by 3 means here 1.3 ones are 3, here 3 fours are 12 approximately. Okay, now here sine of here pi by 3 under root over here 1.04 approximately, you can write here step of 1.04. Okay, now here minus here this is square root cancel pi by 3. Okay, now see here sine of this is under root 1 point something means 1 approximately. 1 means step of 1 is equal to 1 means here this is pi by 3 minus pi by 3, then this is cancel 0, sine of 0 is equal to 0. Third option, note down. Okay, next problem, 14th one. If f is equal to set of a comma 1 and b comma minus 2 c comma 3 and g is equal to a comma minus 2 b comma 0 c comma 1, then f square plus g square. It is also very easy. F square plus g square is equal to here a 1, here f square 1 square is 1 and b 2 square is 4 and c 3 square is 9 plus here g square, here a and 2 square is equal to 4 and b 0 square is 0 and c 1 square is 1. Now you can add these two. Here a comma 1 plus 4 5, next b comma 4 plus 0 4, next c comma 9 plus 1 10, c comma 10. Now see here which option, here a comma 5 b comma 4 c comma 10, this is fourth option. Note down. Next 15th problem, let g of x be a function defined on closed interval minus 1 comma 1 if the area of the equilateral triangle with two of its vertices at 0 comma 0 and x comma g of x. See here this is a equilateral triangle, here a b c, this is 0 comma 0, you can take one more is x comma g of x. Okay, now this distance is a units you have to take here. Now side is a units. The a is equal to here distance between here 2 points a b you can take here. A b is equal to under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is origin means you can write directly x square plus g of x whole square you can write here. Now it is equal to a. Okay, this is the side and its area is equal to root 3 by 4 as given. Actually area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square is equal to root 3 by 4 as given. The root 3 by 4 cancel. Now a square is equal to 1. Now a is equal to under root over x square plus g of x whole square is equal to 1. Now squaring on both sides. Now g of x whole square is equal to 1 minus x square. Now g of x is equal to under root over 1 minus x square plus or minus. Plus or minus. Which one? This is first option you can write here. Okay, next 16th problem. If g of x is equal to cube root of x square plus 11 and f of x is equal to under root over x cube minus 2, then find the value of f circle g of minus 4. Here f circle g, this is the composite function as given. Now you can write this one is f of g of minus 4. Now f of what is the g of x here? G of x means here cube root of x square plus 11. Here x instead of minus 4 whole square plus 11 you can write here. Now f of here cube root of 4 square 16 plus 11 27. 27 means here f of 3. 3 cube is 27. Okay, cube and cube root both are cancelled. Then f of 3. Then f of x means here under root over f of x is equal to under root over x cube minus 2 is there. Now f of 3 is equal to here under root over 3 cube minus 2. 3 cube 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. Under root 25 is equal to 5. Then third option. Note down. Okay, next up 17th problem. If f is mapping from your closed interval minus 6 comma plus 6 to R is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 3 for all x belongs to R. Then f circle f of minus 1 plus f circle f of 0 plus f circle of 1. Then first we can find this is f circle f of minus 1 value. Actually f of x is equal to here x square minus 3. Now we can write here f circle of f of minus 1. Now f circle f of here minus 1 means here minus 1 square minus 3. Now this is write as f circle f of here 1 square 1 minus 3 means here minus 2. Now this is write as f of minus 2. Now f of minus 2 is equal to here minus 2 square minus 3. F of minus 2 square is equal to 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now this is f of 1. Again you can write here f of 1. Here 1 square minus 3 means here minus 2. 1 square 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now you can find here f circle f of 0 you can find 0. Now f circle f of 0. Now this is f circle f of here f of 0 means here 0 square minus 3 here minus 3 f of minus 3 you can find here again f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 3. Here 3 square 9 minus 3 6 f of 6. Now f of 6 means here 6 square minus 3. 6 square 36 minus 3 is equal to 33. Now last one f circle f of 1. Then this is rewrite as f circle f of 1. Then this is f circle f of 1 means here 1 square minus 3. Now f circle f of 1 square 1 of 3 means here minus 2. Now f of minus 2 is equal to f of minus 2 is equal to f of minus 2 square minus 3. Here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. F of 1. Here f of 1 already we know that here this is minus 2. Now you can add this one is here this is minus 2 plus 33 minus 2. Okay. Now 33 minus 4 is equal to 29. Now 29. Now you can check any one option through you can check it is here. F of first option you can check here option 1. Here f of 4 root 2. F of 4 root 2 means here 4 root 2 whole square minus 3. Here 4 4 ja 16. 16 2 sa 32 minus 3 is equal to 29. This is first option is correct. Note down. Okay, thank you children. Next class we have to discuss remaining problems and concept. Thank you.